Dr. Reddy's is the key one to track. So let's go across to Ekta for a quick synopsis of the expectations. Ekta, take it away.
Well, for Dr. Reddy's this time round, we are expecting a revenue growth of around 15%, EBITDA of around 1,600 odd crores, margins at 25%, and a profit of around 1,145 odd crores. In terms of expectations, the sales are expected to grow on a year-on-year basis. The estimates are wide at around 18 to 21%, but the average is around 15% growth led by the major markets such as the US and India. Now, Q-on-Q, the US business is expected to come off in terms of sales due to a lesser contribution from the cancer drug Revlimid generic as well as the antibiotic Ciprodex. Now in Q3, remember that the US sales were up 9% on a Q-on-Q basis to $370 million. It beat estimates of around $270 to $280 million because Revlimid generic contributed much more than what the street was anticipating. This time round, the US sales are estimated to come in at around $340 million. Now in terms of the other markets, it is expected to sustain in terms of growth. Remember, in Q3, India was up around 10% year-on-year. Watch for markets such as Russia, which was up around 45% in the previous quarter, led by volumes as well as price. In terms of margins are expected to be at around 25%, but the range is wide, 23 to 28%, simply based on what exactly Revlimid generic could contribute in terms of the US business. Profit will be aided by a low base as well as the operational improvement or the deliverable from Dr. Reddy's this quarter. Commentary will be important with regards to US launches as well as price pressure.